Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ said, Allah likes sneezing and dislikes yawning. When any one of you sneezes and says, Alhamdulillah, means praise be to Allah, it becomes obligatory upon every Muslim who hears him to respond with Yarhamukallah, means Allah may have mercy on you. Yawning is from devil. When one of you feels like yawning, he should restrain it as much as possible. For the devil laughs when one of you yawns.